dark room or place, a torch and a digital camera with the ability to take long exposures, which is adjustable shutter speed. Does anyone know what photons are? Apart from your sixes. Kai?
Are they little speeds of light that go through, are they the particles of light?
Yeah. Photons are particles of light, and these can be seen here with this laser pen through smoke or water vapor. The camera records light when the shutter inside the camera is open. During a long exposure, the camera shutter stays open for a long time and allows light movement to be recorded on the camera sensor. The camera lens is what's called an aperture that varies the amount of light that the camera receives. The wider the aperture, the more light there is hitting the sensor. So to take a long exposure, you may want to gather as much light as possible. Apertures are called f-stops in cameras, so sometimes you'll see these in the camera settings. Each f-stop opens or closes the shutter, and the lower the number, the more light there is. So f2 lets in more light than f11. But with a wider aperture, say f2, the depth of focus is reduced. Imagine the camera is focused on a long rule about 10 feet away. At f11, almost everything will be in sharp focus from 1 foot through to 10 feet. But at f2, only about a foot will be sharp and the rest will be blurry, so you'll need to make sure your subject is focused before you start your picture. The resulting image I took was set to f4, which gave us a bit more depth of focus and looks like this.
Colour.
This means that you can paint with light as long as the camera is able. But remember, you need it to be dark. The more time the shutter is open, the more light comes into the sensor. If you have enough time and battery and a steady camera, you can even take pictures like this one of the night sky, pointing at the North Star and showing the Earth's rotation. This one was taken from a space station. You can easily try this at home or in the street. You'll find a tripod or a steady surface useful. Have a further reference, visit the Steve Spangler website. Thank you.